This video is going to piss some people off, and it's going to put a target on my back by a lot of these fake trading gurus online, but this has to happen, and I need you to participate in this as well. What I'm going to be doing today is show you the importance of data and why a lot of your favorite gurus actually do not ever provide it when they make videos like, this is the best trading model in the world, you don't ever need a trading model besides this one, this is the best trading indicator ever. If people make those claims, they must back it up with data, whether it's back tested or front tested, with a minimum of 100 trades. Now, if they can't, all they're saying is hearsay, as there's nothing to prove it. They may show you some examples on how to use it in a singular YouTube video, and I'll go in a second and show you a bunch of these online that you can find when you type in best trading model. I hope that you guys have some coaches that you follow that actually provide data and analytics on their model being used in at least every 100 trades, maybe every 7 months at a minimum. I mean, again, I was watching a TJR video the other day, and he was teaching a model, but he showed one example and then showed how to use it. I was like, okay, this is great. I hope it works, but can you prove it works? You say that this is the best trading model you found, but I actually don't have any data supporting that thesis. I mean, it's like with anything in life. You want data to support a thesis behind it. I mean, if you buy a really fast car, you want data supporting that it's a fast car. Otherwise, you don't know what you're buying, right? It's hearsay what they're saying. So let's quickly go through, and I want to show you guys a lot of these YouTube videos online. And I want you to personally, I mean, you can audit this. Everything I do online, I want you to audit it, right? I always have data support every thesis I have. Let's take a look. Best MACD trading strategy, 86% win rate. That is a claim. I hope in this video there's a claim in a data report on the strategy being 86% effective over a minimum of 100 trades or an entire year of back-tested data. Now we can keep scrolling through here. We'll start to see some names like this. This is the best trading strategy model in the entire world. Dodgy, I hope you in this video, guys, go audit it. I can almost say for certain there is not. I hope in this video you have some sort of data that supports this thesis and not just a singular payout you made for $2,000. It needs to be a full-fledged data form. And I keep saying this data form. This is what it has to look like. A full data set. And these are front-tested trades, by the way. These are trades I have taken in front of an audience of 500 plus people to prove the validity of my model over time. And you can see I have month to month to month to month and slowly collecting more data over 111 trades, proving the models I use work over a long period. And we go through this and we'll find this consistently, right? We'll see this with, the 1 minute perfect strategy. This is 8 hours ago. I can almost guarantee you as well, there is no data ever provided in this video that it works, right? What people focus online is just like, this is how to use the model, not this is proof it works. And here's Scarface. I see a lot of this with Scarface. There's never proof that any of these models work. Look at this one by Bitcoin Playboy himself. Let's go through this video and we'll find a bunch of teachings on the model, and then where can we find it throughout the video? All of the data that supports it. So go watch this video. Again, I support the thesis for all of these 3 models here. You go through it and you have the thesis, the public audible report. That's the thing, right? Maybe it's not in these videos, but I hope it's in the description. And I can't call all these guys out because I don't know for sure if they don't have it, but it sucks because I can never find it. This Saturday, I had all of my users come to me and say, hey, bring me your favorite trading guru online. I want to audit them. And most of the time, these people I would go, look, there's never a public log of their model being used consistently over time where we can actually audit the stats. Like with my 2 models, you can see ILM and Orb. We can audit every single screenshot trade I've ever taken, time of day, short, long, session, week, day. I mean, the macro time frame it was used in order to have a conclusive and comprehensive set of data that we can actually find some sort of actual insight in month to month or even day to day. I know based on my models that on Monday, I usually don't trade Orb. I mean, who else in the market can really tell that, hey, my model doesn't work this good on this day during this macro? Because yes, the markets move in time frames and every day is different. If you have 110 plus trades front tested, you will have an edge in the market. And I pray that more people see this video. I know Casper does this as well, which is great. He has data for these trades. Like Tori Trades is a really bad example because she never supports her thesis. Like this is 1.2 million views and there's never anything to support the thesis of these guys' trades. So what I want to do is show you exactly what you have to go ask your trading mentor or coach right now. This right here in front of you is the holy grail. This is what you want to ask them. Like, hey, Mr. Coach, I've been trying to learn from you trading for a while, or maybe you're thinking about finding a new coach or a mentor. Maybe you've never found one yet. If you are looking for a mentor, this is what you need to ask. Hey, I know this is your model because you post about it on YouTube. Is there any way you can share data with me that it's profitable over a long period of time? Of course, the examples you showed me in this video were profitable, but I would love to see at least some data supporting this thesis and these claims you make. If they cannot provide it, I suggest you run away. You run and find somebody else immediately. You need somebody who is collecting data. First off, as traders, for us to be exponentially profitable and we continue to improve over time, well, we need a model that works. Now, to define a model that works, we have to have a subset of data that proves this thesis. If I have data spanning from September 2nd all the way to March 21st that I am exceptionally profitable every month with an average, I mean, we can look at this. Monthly stats, like average R collected per month, 12.8. I mean, I can tell you for certain that I average about a 12.8 R a month. I mean, times that by 2% risk, that's about a 25% reward I make every month. 25% allocation on capital every month is amazing. But when people say this out loud, they're like, well, that sounds crazy. There's no way you're making a 20% appreciation a month. Well, if I have data to prove it, would you believe me? And that's the thing that you need to go when you're searching for the best trading model ever, the ChatGPT model of a lifetime. Prove it with data. Otherwise, it's hearsay. And these are the ones that are poisoning the space. I have so many hurt traders that come to me, broken traders that come to me saying like, you know, it's hard for me to trust a lot of people because they've watched these YouTube videos and the models they were taught failed, or the people they were learning from failed because they themselves weren't profitable. If you can prove to yourself you're profitable, you can call the market in a real environment, you are one step ahead of everyone else. And this is a tip to a lot of coaches out there too. As a coach, if you're a coach listening to this, build a log like this. Build a public log. This log is public for anyone. It will be the first link in the comments. You can literally see every trade I take in forever, perpetuity on NASDAQ in order to prove to you that over time I have nothing to hide. You can see everything. And I trade live every morning, at that fact to show you that now I can perform in a real environment. Yes, I will log every trade because every month there will be some sort of slight modification we make to become more profitable. So that's the video for today. Go ask your favorite guru to give them your trade log, or ask them for their trade log, albeit so you can prove to yourself that what they're saying is actually true. Because most time when we see a lot of these videos online, a lot of people that are within this space can't actually prove that they are profitable over a long period of time. And if they can, I commend them because it is what we all need to do. This should be setting the standard. Collect more data, journal more, and question mentors in this space more often. There needs to be a scrutinized standard.